Hey, so I just wanted to share this hot off the press. This is our new bug patrol response kit for summer camps. And it's got a sticky lint roller to roll if you ever find a camper that might have lice or eggs. Roll the sleeping bag, the pillows, things like that. It's got two of the NitNabber combs to check or to treat in case you want to check. It's got a 32-ounce double-sized bottle of the Coco Loco, which kills anything hatched. And once the head is saturated with the Coco Loco, they're not contagious anymore. They can go right back to activities, and just when they get home, the parent can, treat them. And then on the back side, it's got 10 Lice ID cards, which the back side is myth busting and the front side has pictures, and it just helps anybody to identify lice. And then of course we have our free 20-minute online training that can train your whole staff and certify them, not in treating lice, but in identifying lice, how to check. It's an excellent training, and you actually get a little certificate of completion too at the end. So it's really great. I'm excited about this. Hope you like it.